Okay, along with looping through ranges of numbers, you can also loop through strings. So what we've got here is we've got a variable x, which is equal in the string banana. You can do for I in x, so x being the variable. And then if I print I is just letter from the string. So it's a way of looping through. So if you imagine you were doing something like encryption, where you wanted to loop for a word that they type in and then change the letter and encrypt the letter or something like that. If you want to access a string's letter by letter, you can loop through it. And it's, again, another useful skill. Again, it's probably a good example of why you change variable names, because variable names should be, if they're correct, they should describe what's in the variable. So X and Y is actually quite bad practice, but you could do something like that. So your word is banana. For each letter in word, print the letter. Works exactly the same way. It's just a better named variables.